In this video, we will learn how to create objects in Excel. We will create PowerPoint in Excel. So let's start. First, keep cursor in any cell where you want to create the PowerPoint. After that, goes to the Insert tab. After the click on Insert tab, click on the text. Here you can see the object option. Just click on the object. After you click on the object dialog box is open here. In object dialog box, have a two tabs, create new and create from file. In create new have a object types. There are so many object types available. Microsoft Word documents, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft graph chart. I just select the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation and just click on OK. Once you click on OK, the slide is added. You can see here one more changes. The Excel tab is removed and PowerPoint tab is added. The above all tab is of PowerPoint, not Excel. When you click on the outside of the slide, again you goes back to Excel. Now you can create the presentation. Just select the cell, right click of the slide, click on the presentation objects, click on the edit. Once you click on the edit, again you come back in PowerPoint and tab also added of PowerPoint. Now here you can create your presentation. Okay, you can add here slide. Just press the shortcut key Control plus M. When you press the plus M, the slide is automatically added. There is one way you can add here slide. Here you can see the home tab, new slide, just add it. If you want to add one more, just click on it. The added slide is automatically added. Now just create your presentation. Okay, just I write here slides 1, slides 2 and slides 3. You, you can use here other tabs also to create your presentation. After your presentation done, you just click on the outside of the slide and you can see here you goes back in Excel. Now you can open your presentation on double click on the slide. Just double click on it. That's it. You can see here the presentation is open. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.